see. This is just through the window right here. Oh, this guy's curious about something. Zoe. Yeah, Zoe just woke up right now. I know, look at her. Yeah, say hi, morning. Oh, that is so sweet. Can you give everybody a kiss? Oh, good morning. Yes, what do you want to see?
Puppy.
Poppy today. Okay, we're gonna see Poppy today. You want Poppy?
Yes.
And Branch. Okay. Yeah, Poppy and Branch. Yeah, sweet girl. Look at her sweet face. Yeah. Yeah. Say Max. Max. You're watching Pets. Max. Yeah? We're coming to the kitchen. Mia's doing so well. She wanted to cook us breakfast. And she said, I'm gonna do it all by myself. That way I can show Emma, right? I think Emma's gonna be proud of you. Yeah?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, no.
You need my help?
No.
You got it? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm doing it with my bare hands.
Are you sure? Oops, sorry for the shaking camera. Oh, look, she made these. Grilled cheese is her way. She did awesome. You did awesome. Did you put butter? Oh, that's great. Yes, you did.
No.
Did you get some of those in there? Or no?
No, I just grabbed it.
Are you sure there's no crunchies in the egg?
No.
No? Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello. And tell everybody what you're doing.
I'm making grilled cheese and egg.
Grilled cheese and egg. Oh, my love. Do you know that, like, years ago, you couldn't do this?
I just ate an egg.
Oh.
When I was little. That was horrible.
No, but, like, you didn't know how to do all this when you were little. You didn't know how to crack an egg. You didn't know how to anything. Until you got therapy to help you, Mama, right?
Yeah.
Wow, and then now you're counting and everything is so great. You're gonna go to 6th grade. Oh my God, look at this food. It's so awesome. I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of her. Yes, and we are cooking, or she's cooking, at 12:04 p.m. That's it, what it is. Oh, look at honey. Look at this. Say cheese for Dad. I'm gonna send him a picture. Say cheeses. Yeah, good job. I love it. Okay. Okay. Yay! That was great.
I already made yours.
You already did?
Yeah. I
Ooh,
need to put 7.
that's awesome.
Oh, that's
Remember to put butter inside the pan for the eggs. Make sure there's no shells. Take them out, okay?
no, don't dare.
You got it? Ooh, it's squishy. I know the eggs are squishy. She's like, how would you say? She's pretty much just like freaking out about the egg being so squishy. It is so cool. It is so cool. I mean, here is a girl that grew up nonverbal and everything. And then at the age of 6, we found out that she was autistic. And now she's totally doing this by herself. Don't forget to put butter in there.
Oops.
Put butter in there, Mama.
I didn't do it.
It's okay, but you can put it. Put it. It's okay. You got it. Every bit of egg counts. Every bit of egg counts. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this.
No.
It's
No.
okay. It's okay. Use the spatula to move the egg around until it turns into egg. So yes, back to her little history story. She was diagnosed with autism at 6 years old, and she has been through so many struggles. And then now look at her. She's going to the 6th grade, and she's like 12 years old. Are you 12? Yes, you are. You're 12.
I almost made omelet.
An omelet.
Omelet.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Emma, you better be proud of her, woman. Of course she is. She will be of you. What made you want to cook for everybody, Mom?
Because I know I was hungry.
Oh, my sweetheart.
And I know when Zoe was hungry. I know you were hungry. I know Amy was hungry.
Oh, you're thinking about everybody. You're so sweet. Okay, Mom. I will let you finish, because I got to go back with Zoe. Because I don't know what she's doing in that room. She's too quiet. When she's too quiet, something is happening. Okay, I'm going to go back over there, right? Say, see you later. Let's see what we do later. Alright. 12:07. 12:07 right now? Yes, it is.
No, can we do it?
It is raining outside again. Look at that. And this is just through the window. As you can see, sky is right there.
Enjoy.
Wow, look at the rain outside. See, this is just through the window right here. Oh, this guy's curious about something. Bam. Zoe finally fell asleep, guys. She's taking a nap. So, gonna do some house stuff around here. You guys hear Looney? I hear Looney too. Yeah. Look, watch. And that's because Mia's just touching her tail. You get so bothered, girlfriend. Don't be so bothered, Mom. No, she won't touch you. She's not gonna hurt you, Mama. It's okay, Mama. Emma, tell me what happened, because it was raining here at home, and I was thinking about you because you were at school. Tell me.
It was pouring a lot. It was pouring a lot.
That's asking.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the P-O-O-L. And guess what we found? On the rain at school. It was raining. It's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring.
Remember it was raining and she was at school and she doesn't like thunder? Yeah. What did you do? Did you jump?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, do you want me to tell you about the bus?
No, don't tell me about the bus.
Yes. Okay, so we were on the bus, and the teacher sat me in the back, and there was a bunch of ants covering it. I felt bad for this boy because he was covered in ants on his shoe.
Oh
and ants on his
man,
pants.
boy, is Daddy gonna have a talk with that?
Yeah.
No,
And
with
then
him.
let me tell you about the pool. The pool numbers are covered up.
Great.
You're also serious.
And I'm waiting for something else.
I put my foot in the water.
Yeah?
It's deep. Amy and Mommy are gonna have to stay in the tree.
You know why the numbers are covered? Because of the rain today.
Yeah, it was a bunch.
A lot of rain, I know. Alrighty then. Well,
We'll see you at the POOL.
yes, it's only for a little while.
Bye.
Cheese. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. Good boy. Go, daddies. Go, daddies. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. Oh, okay. She's gonna jump in the bed. Okay, ready, go. Go. Woof, 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 woof. Get it, 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 get it. Oh my gosh, Zoe, you're funny. What'd you do? Don't make her fall off the bed. Wait. Jump, 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 jump. Ready, ready? Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. She's like, not yet. What's wrong with you, Mom? Not yet. I have to cover myself with this, like, red blanket with snowflakes. Let's go. Jump, 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 jump. Oh, oh my God, honey. Get her, honey. Wait. Oh my God. Can you say goodnight to your buddy Jackson? Jax. Say goodbye, Jaxie. Oh, look at his eyes. He says goodnight, guys. He is so tired.